Hello, I am Bob, a farmer. This is my farm. Crops require a lot of care and effort to grow. Yay! I am going to have a great harvest this time. I can't wait for the harvesting season anymore. Oh my God! Pests in my farm. So many of them. I'll catch and kill all of these pesky pests and settle the matter once and for all. This pesticide should kill them all. I think a few of them flew away. Will it be a problem? It seems the insects that flew away spread to other nearby farms, causing even more destruction. They produced even more dangerous and chemically resistant generations, which came back to Bob's farm. My entire field is barren. The pests don't die even with lethal and toxic pesticides. I had to burn all my crops to stop the infestation. If this continues, I will go bankrupt this year. What should I do? Oh yes. I should call the krisevaks. Their novel technology can help me out.
Namaste, I am Giriraj, a farmer. This is my farm. I am here to show you how the krisevaks help farmers like me to grow crops with minimal use of chemicals. All you have to do is schedule a service by calling them. I want to check which crop will suit my farm climate and soil the most.
This is our drone electrocute, and let me show you the components on our drone. RPI for visual processing, APM flight controller, visible imaging camera, telemetry and video transmission, wireless charger receiver, base LiPo battery charger, GPS and compass, drone frame, motor, propeller and many more components. Some additional components are thermal imaging camera, Archimedes screw-type soil collection mechanism, and sprinkler-type spraying mechanism. Moving on to the charging station, it has following components: MSP XP430F5438A, MSP FET debugger, wireless charger transmitter, pH sensor, solar panel, rain sensor and relay module, soil humidity sensor, MPPT solar charger.
The krisevak drone, called electrocute, uses a soil collection add-on to collect soil samples from my farm. The pre-installed charging station has a few sensors that help in analyzing various soil parameters like nutrients, moisture, pH, etc. The charging station transmits all the results to the drone via Bluetooth.
All the data received is then retrieved by a krisevak when the drone returns to the nearest warehouse after a long day of work. All drone data is then uploaded to a centralized server using Wi-Fi.
Now farmers can see the results on their mobiles. The krisevak crop recommender said that I should grow wheat this time. They also thermally screened the seeds I bought for water retention and viability. I am going to have a bumper crop this time. Not a single seed failed to sprout. But what about the pests, diseases and weeds? I am sure the krisevaks have a solution for this too. Get rid of pests and diseases with minimal use of pesticides using thermal imaging and AI. As seen here, the electrocute traverses the farm and identifies the location of all weeds, diseases and pest egg clusters. This map and path can be seen on the krisevak website. Krisevaks. In this way, the krisevak drone visits multiple nearby farm patches, charging-discharging for every service. This minimizes the number of trips required per day, and maximizes the efficiency. The drone then surgically sprays pesticides only where it detected pest eggs, weeds and diseases earlier, helping me produce more organic crops. I had a wonderful toxic-free harvest. I hope it sells nicely. Not that I am worried, as the krisevak marketplace connects me with all the people interested in buying my produce. The krisevak marketplace connects farmers with bulk food produce buyers, like restaurants and hotels, NGOs, groceries stores, and many others. So no more food wastage due to unsold surplus.
Thanks to krisevaks, buying organic and fresh food directly from farmers is a piece of cake.
All this, without any financial burden.
Wait. What? How?
This is how. As the krisevak's charging station collects solar energy, energy credits accumulate over time on the farmer's krisevak profile. Not only this, as the krisevaks help me increase my yield organically, I also earn green credits which can also be used to buy their services.
Since we aim to provide farmers with the best technology without burdening them financially, majority of our revenue comes from other sources like crop insurance, drone services in other industries, thermal imaging solutions and commissions from the Krisevak marketplace. Help us help farmers. I am proud to be a Krisevak.